Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to change a name in Picsart account, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a name in Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the edit profile button available for us over here guys. Just in the middle, tap on the edit profile button and you'll land over here. Now in order to change your name in your Picsart account guys, simply edit or make edits to the place where it says name, and let's go. I'll be just entering a new name, and after doing that guys, it will be just changed. You will not be required to save it or do anything more than else. So let's go back, and with that being done guys, our name will be changed on our Picsart account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.